Must-try beauty hacks from celebrity makeup artists. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here because today, we will be sharing must-try beauty hacks from celebrity makeup artists. Ever wondered how celebs always look flawless? We're spilling the tea on must-try beauty hacks straight from the pros who work with them. Get ready to level up your makeup game. Forget layering foundation on top of everything. Underpainting is the secret to a natural, sculpted look. It's all about applying contour and highlight before your foundation. Use a cream contour, stick a shade or two darker than your skin tone. Apply it to the hollows of your cheeks, temples and jawline. Blend, blend, blend. Next, use a cream highlighter on the high points of your face, cheekbones, brow bone and bridge of your nose. Blend that in too. Then, apply a light layer of foundation over everything. Voila! A naturally sculpted face. Out of eyeliner? No problem. Your eyeshadow palette is your new best friend. This hack is perfect for a softer, more diffused liner look. Dampen an angled eyeliner brush with setting spray. Dip it into your favorite dark eyeshadow. Then, apply it along your lash line as you would with a regular eyeliner. This creates a beautiful smoky effect that's super easy to achieve. Plus, you can customize the color to match your eyeshadow look. Mascara smudges? We've all been there. This simple spoon trick will change your life. Grab a clean spoon and hold it against your upper eyelid, right above your lashes. Apply your mascara as usual, letting the excess mascara go onto the back of the spoon. This prevents smudges on your eyelid and helps you get every single lash. Repeat on your lower lashes. Clean the spoon as needed. Say goodbye to mascara mishaps. Want your lipstick to last all day? This hack is for you. Instead of just lining your lips, fill them in completely with lip liner. Choose a lip liner that matches your lipstick shade. This creates a base for your lipstick to grip onto, preventing it from fading or feathering. Apply your lipstick as usual. Blot with a tissue, and reapply for extra staying power. Your pout will stay perfect for hours. This hack is the ultimate secret to long-lasting makeup. It's all about layering setting spray strategically. Think of it as a makeup sandwich. First, apply your base makeup, foundation, concealer, and powder. Then, spray your face with setting spray. Let it dry completely. Next, apply your eyeshadow, blush, and highlighter. Finish with another layer of setting spray. This locks everything in place and keeps your makeup looking fresh all day. Ready to rock these celebrity makeup artist hacks? Try them out and let us know which one is your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more beauty secrets, and share this with your makeup-loving friends. Click the bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos. And for even more beauty tips and tricks, check out the links in the description box.